It's very unfair that the communists, after having done such splendid work for India's independence, are today only in one state. I feel sad. The communists' contribution to Bengal has been tremendous. You know, when they came in, industry was at 92%. When they left, it had fallen, as you know, but no fault of the communists. My point is, today, a nation has become united because we are against one enemy. Why do we have this habit of always questioning the integrity of our armed forces, of our government in national crisis? A, B, you're absolutely right. You have every business to question the government, but you have no business to ridicule a government, ridicule an armed forces program. You don't have any right to justify the fact that you took no action whenever you were in power. My point is, this is a moment of national solidarity, of the nation coming together. And let me tell you, as a complete, I hate all political parties, so I don't like any one of you. I mean, I like you, but I hate your parties. Yeah. Let me tell you, when you say this, the people of India, and the BJP will maximize it, the people of India will begin to feel that, oh my God, ye desh ke saath nahi hai. Why would you want that narrative? I have never said.
No. You're saying why not? 10 seconds. You're saying why not?
Listen to me. Ask Navika.
Give me 10 seconds. I'll tell you
that Rahul Gandhi has his heart in the right place. I will never say he's a traitor. I will never say he's anti-national. I've never said it. I've always said he is as Indian as any one of us. But sometimes the narrative will be misconstrued because the narrative...
None of us here has said... 1 minute. None of us here has said that the Congress party is anti-national.
No. That's fine.
Who said it? The only person who said it is an alliance partner of the Congress party, the Aam Aadmi Party.
I said whosoever gives statements in favor of Pakistan.
So diya na,
right. Whosoever.
But you quoted
the fundamental difference.
So what I'm saying,
he mentioned the two statements, one by Revanth Reddy on how many fighter jets have fallen.
So
the other was made by Rahul Gandhi.
That statement is anti-national statement.
So coming from the Congress Chief Minister, the Congress leader. But it's important to point out that there are some within the Congress which who have risen above the party lines and stood up for the nation. Watch the multi-party delegation that is abroad. One message, one mission is what they have gone with. And I want to play out, because this is what India needs. We may be on different sides of the aisle, but we speak in one voice when our country is being targeted by terrorists, and terrorists that are controlled by the nation, which is our neighbor. Listen in first to that feeling of India that we miss so much in our domestic politics.
I don't work for the government. As you know, I work for an opposition party.
I'm a vocal member of the opposition.
Yes, we have our political differences, but when it comes to the integrity of our country, it is high time that the neighboring country understand
that India stands united against terrorism.
हम अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की हो सकते हैं, लेकिन जब देश की बात है, हम सब एक हैं.
We are from different parts of India, north, south, east, west. We have different mother tongues, and out of the 8 of us, we represent 5 different religions. Yet we are one India.
India is indeed united.
Complete support extended, not only by the Congress party, but the entire Indian opposition, all the political parties.
Pakistan, unfortunately, figures as the prima donna of states that are directly complicit in the export of terror.
Terrorism has become an economic industry for Pakistan to hold the world to account.
India will not watch terrorism. We will not accept terrorist acts.
If they hit us again, they're going to get it back. No act of terrorism goes unpunished.
Vivek?
Yeah.
Is this not a reasonable stand for everybody in India to take? Why are we speaking in different voices at a time when Operation Sindoor continues? It is a pause, but the operation is not over.
I mean, see, the operations have been going on since 1947 and we all know it. We supported Modi. Every party supported Modi. The entire nation supported Modi. We supported the army. हमने कहा मोदी साहब बढ़िए आगे, हम खड़े हैं आपके साथ. चाहे राहुल गांधी हो, लेफ्ट हो, कांग्रेस हो, सब साथ में थे. और हमारी भारत की सेना ने हमला किया, हम साथ खड़े थे. बोला गया, फॉर्मली बोला गया. लेकिन उसके बाद हुआ क्या साहब? आप गए, आपने हिट किया और सुबह ट्रंप साहब का एक ट्वीट आता है, सुनिए आप पहले, और वो कहते हैं मैंने दोनों को बिठा करके रात भर बात करी और सीज़फायर के लिए मान चुके हैं. सुबह सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग पाकिस्तान वाज गिवन मनी बाय द IMF. You could not stop it. I have a right to question. I have a right to question. Why did Trump declare the? Why did Modi declare it? I would have cheered Modi. I'm against war.
I'll answer.
I'm not a warmonger.
Okay.
Have you met Trump?
10 seconds.
One
It's not the
minute.
question.
Have you ever met Trump?
I know
why.
I'll
tell you why, sir. I have worked on a campaign.
Which one, Meliana or Donald?
Let me tell you, he is unhinged. Nothing he says should be taken at face value. And let me tell you,
the money that Pakistan got,
this is submitted in their court.
That is another matter. There are many people submit documents. You've been part of the National Herald case. You also submitted documents. That court and all doesn't matter. So let me tell you, he's an unhinged guy.
Pakistan got the money that very morning.
Who did the howdy Trump?
Pakistan got the money.
And then you get that from where? And you call yourself Vishwaguru? How do you call yourself Vishwaguru? This is the Vishwaguru.
Howdy.
I will respond this in two factors. First of all, okay, fine, agree. After that, the Indian government gave its official statement, right? The ME has given, the Minister of External Affairs have given multiple times. There has been a press conference. So you don't believe in the official response of the Indian government? You are a made in China product. How will you believe that? You are a man who goes against the forces. You are a man who goes against the forces and the forces in the Middle East. You are a made in China product. You are a made in China product. You are a made in China product. That is why you don't believe in it. That is why you don't believe in it.
Does anyone here have sober trait? I'm worried that we shouldn't be left with two. वो दे दो भैया दो
I think it might be required this side as well.
No, you bend down backwards. You saluted the Americans. Pakistan has got the money. Not a single country stood with India. ना किसी ने असला दिया, ना statement. अकेले खड़ा था हिंदुस्तान. Failure of your foreign policy.
Everybody is with us.
You stood with the imperialist capitalists of Pakistan.
If the Chinese are not with us, if the Pakistanis are not with us, if the Turkish are not with us, the world is not with us. You are a made in China product. You only want the support of Chinese. I'll tell you what is your intent. When our forces are killed in Naxalis, this is the CPM. This is the CPM which supported the Naxalis. You are an anti-India person. You support the Naxalis. Can you give your
whatever you want?
One second.
You support these imperialists, Americans, these capitalists. ये पूंजीवाद का साधन बंद करो.
कम्युनिस्टों पर शर्म आनी चाहिए. 1962 के युद्ध के बाद चीन कर रहे